Ano bang business yung madali? Kung yun ang tanong, I would say na everybody will be there kasi lahat naman ng tao gustong madali at kikita ng malaki. So, kung iisipin mo, everybody's there, you wouldn't have a fighting chance to make good amount of money. That's why a business starts with a problem to be solved. And if you are good in it, in solving that problem of the customer, and you're the best in that category, lalaki ka, lalaki din ang income mo. And to have that, you have to try something na kaya mong gawin at kahit na humirap ng humirap, positive ang attitude mo because the harder it is, the less people there will be in that category. Because if you fight it out and be very good in that category na ikaw lang ang matitira, then you have something unique. You have a unique value proposition to offer your customers. And makikita mo na if you have that attitude, you have that strategy to be very good in something that's difficult to do, na magpupursige ka dahil gusto mong pagsilbihan yung customer at gusto mong masolve yung problem nila. At ikaw yung tatanggap ng challenge to solve their problems. Then, you'll be the best in what you're doing. And makikita mo na lalaki yung kita mo and you'll be passionate in what you're doing. That is the best thing that can happen to you as a business person.